If you're selling books on Amazon, you need to get yourself one of these Bluetooth scanners. This is a Natamu scanner. It's about $50, and it allows you to use the laser inside the Bluetooth scanner with Scout IQ to be able to scan the barcodes of books much faster. There's the laser right there. And when it comes to selling books on Amazon, it's all about speed. The more books you can scan in the faster amount of time, the more money you're going to make, because most books aren't profitable. So when you're using your phone with the Amazon Seller app, it's much slower versus using this Bluetooth scanner with Scout IQ. Scout IQ will make all the buying decisions for you. Here's a bunch of books and DVDs I found recently that I'm going to ship to Amazon FBA. What I'll do normally is just lean up my phone. I'll have the sound on. Usually I have Bluetooth headphones in my ear, and I'll just scan through all the books. And when it goes green, that means it's profitable. It'll also make a sound in your ear from the custom triggers. So again, if you guys are selling books, get yourself one of these, rateandprofit.com/scanner. That's what I use. There's plenty of others, but hopefully this helps. Much love.